So Stalin sat at that table in the morning when he was a little boy.
Yes.
And said, one day when I grow up, I want to be the nastiest piece of work the world has ever seen. And the parents will have said, there's a little boy in Austria and he wants to be the nastiest piece of work. But we think, son, you can be an even nastier piece of work. And then he was.
You can be whatever you want to be, son.
Yeah.
If you want to be the biggest bastard the world has ever seen.
Bastard's a good word.
Yeah. And his mum said to him, are you sure you wouldn't like to follow your father and be a shoemaker?
No, I want to murder 20 million people.
So he's actually sitting right here in his little shorts
really
and
weird,
his little moustache.
Yeah.
That is really weird, though, isn't it, what started in here?
I've broken Stalin's house. Jeez, I'm going to the gulag.
James!
I've broken Stalin's house. What do people talk about when they don't drink?
Oh, I don't know, actually.
That's a good point. Brexit.
We've worked together now for many years, but we've never struggled to think of anything to say before.
But I think that's partly because we can never remember what we said last time, so we just do it again.
Yeah, that's a fact, sir.
Well, you see, we've just been repeating ourselves to one another every night for the last...
that's possible. Yes?
I haven't bothered with any of that. I've just gone for the telephoto, not one of yours, but that. This is all I've got. That's all you need.
Well, that is literally it.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Well, are you going to photograph animals in this country?
That's a pervert camera.
No, it's a Daily Mail camera is what it is.
Well, that's what I meant.
It's heavy. Yeah, I bet it is. It's a lot of glass.
Look at the way young people are approving of my car and my stickers. Dabarit wagwam. I speak the language of the millennial. Hammond and May won't be able to do that because they're in a Ford and Toyota. They're bad whips.
Let's sing a song.
No.
He's not very keen on us helping, is he? Oh, sorry. I didn't see the bumper.
Because I had my head right next to the thing. Go on. Go.
It'll all be fine. If we spot a Jaguar, everything will be okay.
Right.
Go.
Oh, now we're in trouble. Hammond! You moron!
I didn't know you were there.
Hammond! What the hell are you doing?
I was stuck. I didn't know you were behind me.
Oh! My ignition keys are 3,000 degrees centigrade. Sorry, everyone. Sorry about the noise. I know, we'll use the director. Sorry, mate, if you could just turn the engine off, that would be great. Call 911. He's going to need some fingers in a minute. Ah. Yeah, it does that. How hot are those ignition keys?
Hot?
Oh, yes. It's actually really nice. Ow! Said I found my todger.
You don't need low range, you just need somebody with skill and precision. Whoa!
Ah! That went wrong.
Jeez!
Why would you do that to us?
The rest of the day is going to be bloody miserable, you muppet.
He parked his car there.
Yes.
Turn it round.
Ooh,
So he comes out in the morning. Can you imagine his face?
Yeah, and he'll know exactly where he parked it because it's him. So then he'll think he's gone mad. How are we going to do it?
Bounce it. Ready?
Oh,
Grip
yeah.
that. So 1, 2, 3, move it. 1, 2, 3, move it. 1, 2, 3, move it. 1.
My Lego! What's happening above me here? Look, it's
Above you.
Oh dear!
Oh, James, I'm afraid, ladies and gentlemen, that's wet himself, isn't it?
We need to work on that.
Lovely, lovely. Not now, Cato. I could be sitting here now answering pointless emails from pointless people with nothing better to do all day. Not now, Cato. But no, I'm doing something useful, something joyous, something pleasurable. Not now, Kate. No, Cato, no, that's inappropriate. Now, that is a great picture, and we can move on.
It is.
We have ticked that box. That's the ace of spades, the Jaguar. That's Saddam Hussein. We've now got to go and get his sons. Uday. And the other one. What's his other son called?
Edgar.
Chaps, did you know mine only comes with
One seat as standard.
really.
What?
As standard, you get one seat in a Demon. You can opt to have the others put back in, and it costs you $1.
Which seat do they put in as standard?
We could have found a path round. Have you stolen my bag?
You are?
Have you stolen my bag?
No.
It's just this lonely little figure.
Should we let him have breakfast before we admit that we've got his bag? Well, I don't really want to sit eating breakfast with him naked, that's the thing.
Hammond, I think we've solved your crime. We've solved it. We have found the gas canisters, look here.
It's a lot of gas.
If you've had this much gas,
That's like 1.5 litres of gas.
it's interesting they spelt gas wrong, look.
Well, they got the first
Begins with
letter
G.
right.
Not here.
So you're saying I gassed myself. They weren't both full when I started.
Yeah, that's because you'd already started.
Why have you done this to all my trousers?
You said you were hot.
Well, I am now. Wait a minute, you're actually letting him drive John?
Well, he's from the country. You've got to remember that's only like getting out of the garage at Hammond's house.
You're in third gear. Try first.
Honestly, mate, anyone would think you've never driven this before.
Come on, come on. It'll come out. Stop!
He's ruined everything, isn't it? The map ruined, compass ruined, cameras are ruined.
It will go, it will. Oh, that's not supposed to. I can save this.
He's rolled it. How far's he covered?
Less than its own length.
It's all right, I'm used to this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Watercress. Bit of that. Spend enough time on the motorway in the back of your luxury car and you could turn yourself into a part-time professional chef. We could improve... Oh.
Meanwhile, in the BMW... Cato, my suit jacket! Cato, fire extinguisher! Cato, now! Thank you, yeah.
My car is just so refined and sophisticated and, in fact, really well looked after by its previous owner. It was obviously loved, and one of my windscreen wipers just fell off.
Oh, dear.
You can't get out. Ah, his jet ski's fallen off. Okay, bit of jiggery pokery, we'll get around there. Ooh. Jeremy, stop!
Jesus.
Give me strength.
It's using traditional methods to get this fire going. And soon we shall have some delicious rice. How would you like it, boiled?
Yeah, there's nothing we can put with it.
Hell, how's that? What manner of thing has happened? Shit, what's gone?
Incoming.
Holy moly! There was a hand grenade. There was literally a hand grenade.
You set fire to the plastic housing at the top. No, that's the compound. Damn it!
There's the helicopter, and once again, the Amarok is victorious.
Is that barrel gonna...
What on earth?
I'm probably not going to get my freedom fighter badge now, am I, for that? So, starting engine. Engaging drive. Here we go.
There must have been 30 or 40 people in the room when the police arrived.
Clarkson!
May we turn our attention to the bears now, to Paddington?
His skin's flaking. You should moisturise.
It's... What?
You should moisturise.
A little bit.
In the
Why should I
modern...
moisturise?
Because your skin's flaking.
Because
off.
you're
You've
dry. You look like something found in a pyramid.
Anyway, listen, we must turn our attention.
Let's have a look at the sarcophagus.
I'm not putting that in the British Museum.
Turning neat, crisp by the edge. Whoa!
Oh, it's gone over the edge!
Again.
Hammond Slap's going well.
Yeah, isn't it?
Holy shit!
What?
I've just had a transgender operation. Ah! Oh! You all right, Hammond, in there?
I'm not getting out.
Top speed of 28 miles an hour, but I'm not using that because in full power mode you have no steering at all. No, 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 no! Oh, sorry, mate.
Jeremy, you killed a man.
Oh, shit, no. Oh, Hammer's gone.
Ow! I meant
He's gone.
Right, my latest juice has a bit of an Asian flavour because it's made with okra, some ground up dried ginger, touch of garlic, a pinch of garam masala and a pork pie. Now this car was of course developed at the Nürburgring, which might sound not very millennial, but on the other hand, it is the world's greenest circuit. It is completely... Oh, jeez! Oh. Oh, God! Oh! 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 Oh!
Go on. A Fiat Panda.
Yes! Yes!
Jeremy Corbyn just pulled Freddie Mercury out.
It's a meeting of minds.
I'm not sure we're very good at fist bumping.